hidden deep in the Amazon, strange, fierce, and unbelievable. Here are 6 animals that rule the jungle. Which one will shock you the most? Welcome to Amazon Alive. Quick facts from the world's largest rainforest. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild videos. Un jaguar. Meet the jaguar, the Amazon's top predator. Jaguars have the strongest bite of any big cat relative to their size. They can pierce turtle shells and skulls. Unlike lions, jaguars are solitary and hunt both on land and in water. If you ever see a jaguar paw print, respect the silence. You're near a true jungle king. Fun fact: a jaguar's rosette pattern is like a fingerprint. No two are the same. 2. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the heaviest snakes on Earth. They live mostly in water and can stay submerged for long periods, striking from the depths at unsuspecting prey. Anacondas kill by constriction, squeezing until the prey can't breathe. Fun fact: anacondas are ambush hunters. Patience is their weapon. 3. Poison dart frog. Bright, tiny, deadly, poison dart frogs warn predators with neon colors. Indigenous tribes once used their skin toxins to poison blowgun darts, hence the name. But many species raised in captivity lose their toxins because their poison comes from their wild diet. Fun fact: some poison dart frogs are smaller than a paperclip, but can stop a large predator. 4. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle has massive talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws. This eagle can snatch monkeys and sloths from tree branches with jaw-dropping power. With superb eyesight and immense strength, it's a top aerial hunter of the canopy. Fun fact: harpy eagles are so powerful they're nicknamed the terror of the trees. 5. Three-toed sloth. Slow-moving, but perfectly adapted. The three-toed sloth spends most of its life hanging upside down. Its slow pace helps avoid detection, and algae growing in its fur gives it camouflage. Sloths even sleep high in the canopy to avoid ground predators. Fun fact: a sloth can take up to a month to digest a single leaf. 6. Piranha. Piranhas get a scary reputation, but most species are scavengers or eat plants and insects. When food is scarce, they can form feeding frenzies, but scenes from movies are exaggerations. Still, sharp teeth and powerful jaws make them efficient river hunters. Fun fact: piranha teeth are razor-sharp and interlock like a zipper. Outro. Which Amazon animal surprised you most? Comment below and share this video if you want. Part 2. Reptiles and amphibians of the Amazon. Subscribe for more jungle secrets every week.